Hello guys, welcome back to Main Tech channel, and today I'm basically going to be taking you through Payoneer. As you all know, Payoneer is an app that helps people in the third world like Nigeria and other African countries to receive payments in foreign currencies like USD, Euro, and Great British Pound. I know it is practically difficult to withdraw your funds from Payoneer. So I'm basically going to be taking you through how you can do that, because I recently received a payment and I wanted to convert it to Naira, but I experienced some difficulties. So I know other people must also experience those type of difficulties, hence why I'm making this video, so that when after you watch it, you'll be able to comfortably withdraw your money into your local bank accounts. So yeah, let's hop right into the video. So first things first, you have to create your account, you have to register, submit some informations, and you have to wait for like a couple of days for them to verify you. So after that, when you want to receive your payment, all you have to do is to click on USD if you want to collect the payments in USD, then receiving accounts, click on receiving accounts. So the information here is basically your bank information that you're going to share with the person that wants to credit you with USD. So you are going to copy these informations, and I think you can click on share and share your account details directly to the person. So that's that on that. So now I'm going to take you through how you can withdraw your fund. So basically, you can withdraw your fund directly from Payoneer, but you need a particular amount. You need 50 USD. You need to have 50 USD in your Payoneer account to be able to withdraw to your local bank. But the thing about local bank is that the rates are very poor. So let's try it. So if I go here and click withdraw to account, if I click on USD, okay, I currently have no fund to withdraw on any of them, but basically it is quite demoralizing to withdraw directly to your local bank accounts because their rate is 450 naira thereabouts, which is the bank rate. But we all know that you can withdraw in black market rates, which is going to be like 700 naira for USD and almost 900 for pounds. So we have a way to go about that. So basically, when you receive your payment, all you have to do is to open another account, and the name of this account is Gray. So Gray Finance is just like Payoneer. You can receive foreign currencies into your Gray account, and they also provide you with account details that you can use to receive them. But the interesting part about Gray is that they charge you you can convert your money at black market rates basically. So you can convert your money. If you have $1, that's basically around 700. Their rates change every day, but around that bracket, 700 to 750, somewhere around there. So you can open a Gray account and withdraw directly to your Gray. But at the moment, Gray are having issue with their USD bank account. So for me, when I wanted to receive this payment, I sent my Payoneer USD bank account and they transferred the money there. So as you can see here, they transferred the money to me on the 1st of March. So this is the credit alert, and I withdrew the money immediately to my Gray USD bank account, which is a Silvergate bank account. But apparently Silvergate have an existing issue, so my money was reversed because it wasn't able to be credited to the Silvergate account. So after that, I pondered on how I was going to withdraw the money because I needed the money. So basically what I did was I converted my USD fund, I converted it to GBP. So I converted it to pounds basically. After I converted it, I used my Grey pound account and I used it to withdraw pounds directly, and the withdrawal for pounds is very, very, very fast because I withdrew yesterday, and this morning I withdrew yesterday night, which was off business hours. I withdrew yesterday night, and basically this morning I received my payments in my Grey account. So I'm going to go to my Grey account now to show you the payment. But firstly, if I click on this withdrawal, you see that I was charged. So I withdrew 40.68 GBP, but I received 39.87 GBP. So they removed their fee of 0.81 GBP. So if I also go to my Grey account, you are going to see that I didn't receive 39.87 GBP because they also removed their charge. So I'm basically going to go to my Grey account now. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my Grey account, and as you can see, I have 39.47 GBP, but that wasn't the amount I removed. So they removed around 0.30 GBP. So is not so much for your fees. So it's basically not so much, but yeah, now we are in Grey account. So if I want to withdraw my money from Grey account now, all I have to do is to send money. So I'm going to send money. I'm going to send to a new recipient. So I'm sending to a new recipient, and I'm going to click, as you can see, balance to send from GBP balance to Naira balance. So I'm going to put the amount I want, 39.47, and as you can see, they are also deducting another fee of 0.43. So they are going to deduct another fee. So after, I'm just going to put the recipient's bank account, put the recipient's account number and narration, and I'm going to click on continue, and it's basically going to send the money directly to the account I input. But the account I'm going to input is going to be my own bank account. So I'm going to receive 34,479 Naira. But if we go to my calculator, if we withdraw 39 points, or let's just put 39 pounds. So 39 pounds multiplied by, if this was on Payoneer, it's going to cost like, the pound is going to be at the rate of like probably 600. So let's put 600 here. So as you can see, I'm going to receive 23,000 Naira. But because of Grey's black market rate, I'm going to put 39 multiplied by 880, and you're going to see what it's going to give us. As you can see, 34,000 Naira. So there's basically a difference of 10,000 Naira, a whole 10,000 Naira. And you know that if you have a larger sum of money, the loss is going to be greater. So as you all know, I'll advise that if you want to withdraw from your Payoneer account, you go through the same process that I'm going through. So let's go back to our Grey account, and yeah, so basically if you want to get your Grey account number, all you have to do is to click on account details here, and this is going to give you the account number. As you can see, this is my own account number, and you have to sign up to Grey also and provide a couple of documents, but they verify your account ASAP. So if you register today, by tomorrow morning or this night, you are going to receive your payments, you are going to receive your confirmation that you have been accepted into Grey, and you'll be able to create your USD account and your GBP account. So that's basically all I have for you in this video, guys. I just felt I should share this for anyone going through the stress of trying to withdraw from their Payoneer account at the best rates possible. So I'm going to drop the links of this app in the description so you can sign up with the links. And yeah, if you have any issue or problem or question, you can always drop them in the comment section, and I'm going to make sure I reply to them. So thank you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family that may also encounter the same issue. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.